Hi guys, I hope you will be fine and you studying very attentively. You know that daily use sentences play a very important role to improve your spoken English. So, in this video we will learn 25 daily use sentences which help you to improve your spoken English. So without any further ado, let's begin. भगवान आपका भला करे. May God bless you. May God bless you. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? How are you? मुझे माफ़ कीजिए. I am sorry. I am sorry. यह मेरा सौभाग्य है. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. कोई बात नहीं. That's all right. That's all right. क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? सब ठीक है. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. मैं रास्ते में हूँ. I am on the way. I am on the way. क्या आप अंग्रेज़ी बोलते हैं? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मजाक मत करो. Stop kidding. Stop kidding. कृपया शांत रहिए. Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. अलविदा. फिर मिलते हैं. Bye. See you again. Bye. See you again. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? कृपया क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं? Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? क्या उपाय है? What an idea. What an idea. इस सम्मान के लिए धन्यवाद. Thanks for this honor. Thanks for this honor. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. No, not at all. No, not at all. यह बहुत ज़्यादा है. That is too much. That is too much. कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. Don't matter. Don't matter. धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. बोलने से पहले सोचो. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. आपका दिन शुभ हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. So friends, ये थे 25 daily use sentences. I hope you will improve your spoken English with these sentences. I will see you in my next video with more sentences. Till then, take care and keep learning.